in history are all here. Let's take you through the lineup. Tiana Daniels from the USA goes in lane 1, USA number 2. In lane 2, US number 1, Javian Oliver, who failed to reach the final in Tokyo. Shericka Jackson, who left Tokyo with a bronze medal in the individual event and gold in the 4x100 meters relay. She goes in 3. In 4, Ann-Pryce Fraser, silver in Tokyo to go with the 2 gold medals from Beijing and London. 34 years old, 10:63 she ran earlier this year. Sha'Carri Richardson, 21 years old, the new kid on the block, all hair and flair. Wasn't in Tokyo. A 1-month suspension for a recreational drug, keeping her out of the games, but she's been very active, both on the track and on social media. She has a point to prove here in 5. Next to her, the double Olympic champion, Elaine Thompson Herah, retained her 100 and 200 meter titles, 10:61, the second fastest in history. Marie-Josée Tarlou, yet again 4th, the dreaded 4th place in Tokyo, where she finished in Rio in both the 100 and 200. She goes in lane 7. Mujinga Kambundji had a fine Olympics in Tokyo, made the final in both the 1 and the 200. Ran 10:95 in the heats. And in lane 9, the youngster from Jamaica, 19 years old, Brianna Williams, double world junior champion at just 16 years old, the future, you feel, of Jamaican sprinting. So Daniels in 1, Oliver 2, Jackson, the bronze medalist from Tokyo, from Jamaica, in 3, Fraser Price, Jamaica, in 4, Richardson, USA, goes in 5, the blonde hair, Thompson Herah in 6, Jamaica, the defending champion from Tokyo, Tarlou 7, Kambundji 8, Williams in lane 9, left of picture. Women's 100 meters. Starter is not ready. And Tim, just a thought, the quality that has been put together just 2 weeks after the Olympic Games is real. It's the Olympic final perhaps that we could have had, with all due respect to Dina Asher-Smith, who's not here in the 100, but with the inclusion of Richardson, this is perhaps Olympic final quality.
Not exactly right, and there is real significance too, of course, with Sha'Carri Richardson having been denied that opportunity to compete on the Olympic stage. All the more determined here. She was the sensation of the first half of the summer in the sprints, Chris, and I think a lot of people were a little disappointed when she travelled across to the UK early summer, and in the cold and wind and rain of Gateshead in the northeast of England was well beaten by Dina Asher-Smith. But this is more like home turf for Richardson in lane 5.
So a reminder, Fraser Price in 4, Richardson in 5, Thompson Herah, the double Olympic champion, in lane 6. Women's 100 meters. Away first time, this time, and Thompson Herah into her running, 4th from left. Thompson Herah also going very well. Ann-Pryce Fraser Price, Richardson's nowhere. What a performance there. It's the fastest in the world this year. 10:54 the winning time. Thompson Herah continues her form from Tokyo. What a statement. Understated celebration. Goodness me. It's the second fastest time in history. Only Flojo has gone quicker, and she's beaten her own time from Tokyo, 10:61, and now she's just seeing it. A scarcely believable 10:54, and I'm afraid Sha'Carri Richardson left in the blocks. Fraser Price 10:73 in second, Jackson 10:76. It's the podium from Tokyo once again, and once again it's Thompson Herah who is quite simply a class apart.
And a Jamaican 1-2-3, Chris, and the challenge of Sha'Carri Richardson evaporated well before halfway in this one. But look at Thompson Herah responding to that fast start from Fraser Price. who probably gave her the impetus to push through that second half and win by 2 meters and going away. And for many people, Chris, that will be considered the unofficial world record. The whole industry, the whole sport knows there are huge question marks around that world record of Flojo from the 1988 trials, or was it 84 trials, 10.49. Everybody knows that that is a time that is squinted at by the statisticians of the sport. But Thompson Herah is the real deal. Boy, how fast was she going through that second half to pull away from an athlete of the caliber of Fraser Price, who, let's not forget, ran 10.63 back in early June.
10.54, just to underline, the second fastest in history, only behind Flojo, with a big question mark and asterisk.
Lifetime best under the magical 11-second barrier. And these are the final few moments before the athletes enter the stadium. They'd have ticked over from the semi-final to the final, kept themselves warm, had a chit-chat with their coaches. And Elaine Thompson Herah, the Jamaican, will start in lane number 4. She's never won an individual Commonwealth Games gold medal. She's never won an individual Commonwealth medal of any colour, Elaine Thompson Herah. And in just a few moments' time, she'll line up with 7 other athletes from the Commonwealth to try and change that statistic. Representation, of course, across all of the nations. The fastest women in the Commonwealth are ready to rock and roll. Can England's Daryl Neater win a gold medal? Can Thompson Herah win the gold medal? Will it be Nigeria's night? The Bahamas? St. Lucia? Here's your start list. The women's 100-metre final start list, lanes 1 to 8. And the whole of Alexander Stadium are anticipating fire here this evening. Super fast times were done in qualifying. Only one athlete went under the 11-second barrier. That was England's Daryl Neater. The fastest qualifier will start in lane number 5. Well, the pyrotechnics go off. Natalia White of Jamaica, 10.97 seconds this year, qualified with 11.17 seconds in the semi-final. The 24-year-old will line up in lane number 1. In lane number 2 for the Bahamas, Tynia Gaither, a semi-finalist at the Olympics last year, also ran 11.17 seconds in the semi-final. The Bahamas being represented in lane number 2. In lane number 3 for Nigeria, Rosemi Chukwuma, Commonwealth Relay bronze in 2018, 10.99 seconds at her best, just outside 11 seconds to qualify for this semi-final. Lane 4, Elaine Thompson Herah, the fastest woman alive, 5 times an Olympic champion. She starts in lane 4. A huge roar for Daryl Neater of England in lane number 5. The fastest qualifier, 10.90 seconds. The second fastest British woman of all time starts next to Thompson Herah in 5. In lane 6, Julian Alfred of St. Lucia. Second fastest in qualifying for this final, 11.04 seconds, 10.81 at her best. Lane 7, Zoe Hobbs of New Zealand, a semi-finalist at the recent World Championships in Oregon. 11.15 to qualify for this final, just shy of her lifetime best. And completing the lineup in this women's 100-metre final, she'll start in lane number 8, Grace Unwo Oku-Ocha, the Nigerian national champion. 11.06 in the semi-final, 10.97 at her best. So the women's 100-metre final, White, Gaither, Chukwuma, Thompson Herah, Neater, Alfred, Hobbs, Unawocha of Nigeria. Silence falls across the Alexander Stadium. The final event here at 9:45 here in the UK. And will it end with gold for Jamaica or England or Nigeria? 8 athletes, 1 race, 1 Commonwealth gold medal. Absolute silence.
Set.
Well, it's a clean start. It's a pretty even start as well. The Nigerian going well in lane number 3. Thompson Herah, though, the Jamaican running well in lane number 4. Elaine Thompson Herah takes the gold medal here in Birmingham. 10.95 seconds. The 5-time Olympic champion, the 100 and 200 metre champion in Rio and Tokyo at the Olympic Games, the athlete that had never won an individual Commonwealth medal at all, takes the gold here. The second all-time delivers here in Birmingham, 10.95 seconds. That's confirmed as the gold.
Satisfied just making the team or just running on the relay. And they know they have to deliver a top sweet spot against Brianna Williams, who is really at the best of her game.
Yeah, at the bowling, as they say, has been there and done that. I suspect that might help her having him as the coach.
Oh, definitely. You're coaching, certainly at MVP, we're very coach-centric. We believe that the coach gets the athletes to be their best. The athletes have to have the talent and they have to do the training, but the coach has to find a way to get them there.
They're going to be introduced individually. We're going to have some loud applause here at the National Stadium. No more so than when you hear Shericka Fraser Price's name. But I think Brianna Williams, that's Shaloni Calvert-Powell, Bruce.
Yep, there's Shaloni Calvert, home with Tech. She is now a senior professional athlete trying to make another Jamaica team. She ran at the Penn Relays this year on the 4x1 for Jamaica, representing very well.
Simone Facey,
one of our Vera girls, has a super 200 PB down at the 22.2s, has also gone sub 11 in the 100, trying to get back on the team again.
Youngest person in the race by far, 17-year-old Brianna Williams.
Her PB was 11.02 this evening. She has moved it to 11.01. Does she break it again and go sub 11? That's the question for Brianna Williams. Add to that, does she get into the top 3?
She's beside a top sprinter, Elaine Thompson.
Double Olympic champion at the Rio Olympics, reigning Olympic champion in the 100, reigning Olympic champion in the 200 meters. 10.70, Jamaica's national record holder, Elaine Thompson.
They now call her Mommy Rocket, Shericka Fraser Price.
Mother of Zion Price, 100-meter Olympic champion, multiple world champion in 100. And she is now stepping up to remind people, I'm also the national record holder for Jamaica, 10.70.
She went to Woolmer's, so did this lady, Janelle Smith.
Janelle Smith, 11.07, her PB to get to this final. She ran a season's best 11.16. She trains in Boca Raton with Henry Roll, Puma MVP international representative.
Natasha Morrison from Sprint Tech.
She too, a sub-11 girl at 10.97, went to the World Championships, made the final there, trying to get back to a Jamaican team. Does she deliver?
Natalia White comes in with 11.20.
Many times champs winner for St. Jago. Went to Auburn University, now at Florida Atlantic University. Trains also with Henry Roll, so Coach Henry Roll with 2 in this final. Natalia White.
Shaloni Calvert-Powell in 1, Simone Facey in 2, Brianna Williams in 3, Elaine Thompson in 4, Shericka Fraser Price in 5, Janelle Smith in 6, Natasha Morrison in 7, and Natalia White in 8. Here's Spencer Darlington.
This one promises to be an absolute cracker. The women's 100 meters final for seniors. This is a stacked lineup by any stretch of the imagination. High class, high quality, expected to deliver the goods. Great anticipation around the National Stadium. Settled nicely in the blocks. Off they go. Fraser Price got a great start. Thompson, Williams and company have begun their bout of chasing. Shelley and Fraser Price on top. Elaine Thompson comes forward. Elaine Thompson gets there by the flare of a nostril. 10.77 seconds, a season best. 700th of a second outside the national record. She holds joints with Fraser Price, who had to settle for the runner-up spot. An imperious performance by Elaine Thompson.
Well,
2022 World Athletics Championships witnessed a spectacle of speed and national pride as Elaine Thompson Herah blazed across the finish line in the women's 100-meter final. Her victory was not merely a personal triumph, it was a testament to Jamaica's dominance in sprinting. Thompson Herah's win was particularly significant as she outpaced her fellow Jamaicans, Shericka Jackson and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, two sprinting icons who have consistently graced the podium. Thompson Herah's time of 10.61 seconds was not only a championship record, but also the second fastest time ever recorded in the women's 100 meters, a mere 500ths of a second shy of Florence Griffith Joyner's long-standing world record. This victory solidified Thompson Herah's status as one of the greatest female sprinters of all time. Her performance was a masterclass in speed, power and technique, showcasing the culmination of years of dedication and training. The sight of three Jamaican women sweeping the podium was a powerful statement to the world. It reinforced Jamaica's reputation as a sprinting powerhouse, a tiny island nation that consistently produces some of the fastest athletes on the planet. This historic moment ignited celebrations across Jamaica and served as a source of immense national pride. Jamaica's passion for sprinting runs deep. It is a source of national identity and unity, a sport that transcends social barriers and unites the nation in collective celebration. Track and field events, particularly the short sprints, hold a special place in the hearts of Jamaicans. The country's success in these events has instilled a sense of national pride that is palpable. From the legendary Herb McKinley to the iconic Usain Bolt, Jamaica has produced a long line of sprinting superstars who have captivated the world with their speed and charisma. This legacy of excellence has created a culture of sprinting in Jamaica, where young athletes are inspired to follow in the footsteps of their idols. The government's investment in sports development, coupled with the unwavering support of the Jamaican people, has created an environment where athletic talent can flourish. The annual Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, popularly known as CHAMPS, is a testament to this commitment. A high school athletics meet that rivals some professional events in terms of the talent it showcases and the excitement it generates. Elaine Thompson Herah's achievements resonate far beyond the shores of Jamaica. Her victory is a source of immense pride and inspiration for the African diaspora, particularly for people of African descent in the Caribbean, the Americas, and around the world. In a sport often dominated by athletes from wealthier nations, Thompson Herah's success serves as a powerful reminder that talent and determination can overcome any obstacle. Her story is one of resilience, perseverance, and the pursuit of excellence against all odds. She hails from a humble background in rural Jamaica, a testament to the fact that greatness can emerge from the most unexpected of places. Her journey serves as a beacon of hope for young people in marginalized communities, demonstrating that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. Thompson Herah's accomplishments carry a profound significance for the African diaspora, serving as a powerful symbol of black excellence and a celebration of African athleticism on the global stage. Her victories challenge stereotypes and inspire a generation to dream big and defy limitations. Section 4, the Caribbean spirit. Sprinting as a symbol of identity and resilience. Sprinting holds a unique place in the culture of the Caribbean. It is more than just a sport. It is an embodiment of the region's history, identity, and resilience. The Caribbean's association with speed is deeply rooted in its colonial past, where enslaved Africans were often forced to perform physically demanding tasks that required strength and agility. Over time, this physical prowess evolved into a source of pride and cultural identity. sprinting became a symbol of the Caribbean spirit, a testament to the region's ability to overcome adversity and achieve greatness despite its small size and limited resources. The Caribbean's dominance in sprinting is a testament to the region's natural talent pool and its deep-rooted passion for the sport. From Jamaica to Trinidad and Tobago, from Barbados to the Bahamas, the Caribbean has consistently produced world-class sprinters who have left an indelible mark on the sport. Section 5. The Legacy of Legends, Bolt and Fraser Price's influence on Thompson Herah. Elaine Thompson Herah's journey to the pinnacle of sprinting has been profoundly influenced by the legacy of her compatriots Usain Bolt and Shericka Fraser Price. Bolt, widely regarded as the greatest sprinter of all time, cast a long shadow over Jamaican athletics, inspiring a generation of young athletes with his electrifying speed and charismatic personality. Fraser Price, a two-time Olympic champion and multiple world champion, has been a trailblazer for female sprinters in Jamaica and around the world. Her longevity at the top of the sport, her unwavering determination, and her advocacy for gender equality have made her a role model for countless young athletes. Thompson Herah has spoken openly about the inspiration she draws from Bolt and Fraser Price, both of whom around the world. Shericka Jackson, a versatile champion. Shericka Jackson is like a super athlete who can do it all. Her journey in athletics is nothing short of inspiring. From her early days on the track to becoming a world-renowned sprinter, Jackson has shown that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. She's amazing in the 100 meters, the 200 meters, and even the 400 meters. Her versatility is truly remarkable. And it's rare to see an athlete excel in such a wide range of events. Competing in the 400 meters requires a unique blend of speed, endurance, and strategy. Jackson has mastered all these elements, making her a formidable competitor in every race she enters. To be that good at so many different distances, you have to be incredibly talented and athletic. Jackson's training regimen is intense and her commitment to her sport is unwavering. Jackson just keeps getting better and better. Every season she pushes her limits and sets new personal bests, showing the world that she's a force to be reckoned with. She's climbed the ranks of the sprinting world through hard work and determination. Her journey is a testament to what can be achieved with perseverance and a never-give-up attitude. She's always pushing her limits, constantly striving to improve and reach new heights. Her dedication to her craft is evident in every race she runs. And other athletes really respect that about her. Her peers admire her work ethic and her ability to perform under pressure, making her a respected figure in the athletics community. Jackson has added to Jamaica's already incredible sprinting legacy. Her achievements have brought pride to her country and inspired a new generation of sprinters. Her versatility makes her a valuable member of Jamaica's relay teams. Whether she's running the anchor leg or starting the race, Jackson's presence is a game changer. She's a great role model, showing young athletes that hard work and dedication really do pay off. Her story is a powerful reminder that with passion and perseverance, dreams can become reality. The Jamaican relay machine. Jamaica isn't just about individual sprinting stars, their relay teams are unbeatable too. Especially the 4x100 meter relay teams, they're always in perfect sync, passing the baton smoothly and running like a well-oiled machine. It's amazing to watch. Jamaica's relay teams show how important teamwork and coordination are. They've brought so much pride to their nation, embodying the spirit of unity and working together. When they win, all of Jamaica celebrates. Beyond the track, a nation's pride. When Jamaica wins on the track, the whole nation feels it. It's about more than just sports, it's about national pride. Thanks to the incredible achievements of Bolt, Fraser Price, Thompson Herah, Jackson, and so many others, Jamaica is recognized worldwide for its sprinting power. These athletes have shown the world that this small island is a force to be reckoned with. And it's not just about pride. Jamaica's sprinting success has also been great for the country's economy. It's boosted tourism, attracted investments, created jobs, and helped the economy grow. The power of inspiration, a new generation rises. Jamaica's sprinting legends have inspired countless young boys and girls across the island. These kids dream of following in the footsteps of their heroes, Track and field programs are thriving in Jamaica, with schools and communities investing in facilities and coaches. The future of Jamaican sprinting is looking bright. This inspiration goes beyond sports. It's given young Jamaicans a sense of hope and possibility. It's shown them that they can achieve anything they set their minds to. A legacy of speed, Jamaica's enduring impact. Jamaica's place in sprinting history is secure. This small island has produced some of the greatest athletes the world has ever seen. Their achievements will be celebrated for generations to come. Jamaica's impact on sprinting is huge. They've set a new standard for excellence in the sport. Jamaica's sprinting legacy is a testament to the power of talent, dedication, and national pride. It's an inspiring story that will continue to amaze and inspire athletes and fans for many years to come.